So in previous session we learnt about non-positional number system. What was the drawback or disadvantage? We cannot represent the large amount of data, or we cannot represent the large values by making use of this non-positional number system. So that positional number system came into picture. Okay, so now we'll see what is positional number system. So positional number systems are mainly created in order to avoid the problem of having to create and remember a large number of symbols. Like I want to represent 12,000 some values, 12,356 in the sense I cannot remember the symbol value for this value. Okay, so that in order to avoid this problem of having to create and remember a large numbers of symbol, these number systems are use certain well-defined symbols. So positional number system uses some well-defined symbols. That symbols are known as what? Digits. Okay, so what is digits? The value of the digit depends on the position in which they appear in the number. Okay, so digit means it has certain well-defined symbol. It is a well-defined symbol, so that digit can be used to represent any large amount of numbers or any large amount of data. Okay, so that the value of a digits depends on what? On the position in which they appear in the number. So that in this example 12,356 you can see the value of 3. So where it is present? From unit, tens, hundreds. So the value of 3 is hundreds value. Okay, so that in this positional number system, this depends on some 3 factors. In order to deal with the positional number system, mainly we have to concentrate on 3 factors. That is face value of a digit, then place value of a digit in the number, then base of the number system. Okay, so these are the 3 necessary factors that we need to consider while representing some data values with a positional number system. What are those 3 important main factors? Face value of a digit, then place value of a digit, then base of a number system. Okay, now we'll see one by one. So what was the 3 important factors? Face value, place value and base. So now we'll see what is base. The base of a number system defines the total number of different symbols available in the number system. Okay, this what is base is important for 1 marks question. Then, so what is base? The base of a number system defines the total number of different symbols. For example, if you consider decimal number system as an example, so it what is decimal? That is represents the 10 values. Okay, so this decimal number system is from 0 to 9. So what is the base value of this decimal number system? 10. Okay, like that the number system defines the total number of different symbols. It means decimal number systems ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 values, that is starting from 0 to 9. Okay, so if it is binary, that consists of only 2 values. Binary is nothing but 0 and 1. Okay, so that the total number of values are 2, only 0 and 1. Okay, like that base is a defines the total number of different symbols available in that number system. Okay, we'll have some types of number system that we'll see in a later sessions. Okay, so that numbers are depends on what? Face value. What is face value? The value of digit or a number itself. For example, if you consider this 589 as an example, then what is the face value of this 5 itself. Okay, 2 rupees coin consider ಮಾಡಿ. What is the face value? 2 rupees only, right? The value of a digit, if you consider 500 rupees note, then what is the face value? 500 rupees only, like that. So in this example, face value of this 5 is 5. Then place value, sorry, face is different and place is different. Okay, so this face value of this 8 is 8 only, and face value of this 9 is 9. Okay, the value of a digit or number itself known as what? Face value. Then what is place values? how it depends on the position in the number system. Okay, so we know that this digit 5 actually represent what? 500, and this 8 represent 80, 8 tens, and this 9 represent 9 units. Okay, so that 5 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 9 into 1, that means 500 plus 80 plus 9. So this represents unit, tens, hundreds. If there any other number, then that belongs to thousand and so on. Okay, so the base of a number is 10 here, because we can use 10 total number of different symbol by making use of decimal number system. 589 ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 10, that is decimal number system. So the base value is 10. Okay, and then face value of 9 is 9, face value of 8 is 8, and face value of 5 is 5. Okay, and we know that digit 5 is actually represent what? 500, then 8 represent 8 tens, then 9 represent 9 units. So that value can be written as what? 5 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Okay, so in this number 589, okay, 5, 8 and 9. So the place value of 5 is 100, the place value of 8 is tens, the place value of 9 is unit, tens and hundreds. Okay, that represents the place value. Then in this number 589, 5 carries what? Most weight, that is 500, and this 9 carries least weight, that is 9. Okay, so this most weighted digit is known as what? Most significant digit. So 500 or 5 carries most significant weight, that is 500, among the 3 digit. Okay, so this is referred as what? Most significant digit, that is MSD. And this 9 carries the least weight, that is 9. So this is known as what? Least significant digit, that is LSD. So these abbreviations are important for 1 marks question. What is MSD, or abbreviate MSD and LSD? That is important for 1 marks question. Okay, so in positional number system, it has some position to the data values, that is represented by using what? Digits. Okay, so that in order to use those digits, we need to follow 3 basic main factors, that is face value, place value, and then base. So face value represent the value of a digit or number itself, then place value represent position in the number system, whether it is in tens positions, 100 or 1000, or even in unit position. Okay, that represent the place value. Then base is total number of different symbols available in the number system. Okay, so if it is decimal number system, then its base is 10, so that it can have 10 different values, that is from 0 to 9. So if it is binary, then it has only 2 values, that is zeros and ones. So if it is octal in the sense what? 8, that is from 0 to 7. Okay, like that the base of a number system can be represented. So this is regarding positional number system. So there are 4 types of positional number system, like it is mainly used to represent the numeric data and also used to perform some arithmetic operations in a computer system. Okay, so the types of positional number systems are decimal number system, binary number system, and octal number system, then hexadecimal number system. Okay, so in coming session we are going to see about each type of position number system.